So I've received this One Step hairdryer styler. Here it is. Should we try it out and see if it's any good? So to start off with, it's got high, middle, low. So I'm just going to put it on the higher. It's powerful. And that's that. So it dries it and straightens it at the same time. I think it's not that bad. I'll link it below for anyone who might be interested.